So this is better again. Okay. Mediterranean seas. Okay. Mediterranean seas are deep, semi-enclosed water bodies that have a limited connection to the ambient ocean. Okay, so we have the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Atlantic Ocean, but there can be regions which are separate, which are also very deep. There can be 4,000 meters deep regions, but the exchange with the ambient ocean is limited. And this is shown on this sketches. What limits the connection of a Mediterranean Sea with the ambient ocean is a feature that we call a sill, which is a limitation, or which is shallower water. It's a region of shallower water shown here in these sketches. This is a sill. Let me just say, this is a sill. This is a sill, but there's also a horizontal limitation. So this is what we call a strait. It's a narrowing of the channel that connects the Mediterranean Sea with the ambient ocean. Okay? And we have more than one Mediterranean Sea on Earth. Okay? And there are different types of Mediterranean seas. One is called concentration basin. The other one is a dilution basin. So let's just start with on the right, the dilution basin. So dilution basins are located in so-called humid climates, and these are climatic zones where the region or the Mediterranean Sea receives more fresh water from continental runoff and precipitation than it loses by evaporation. So this leads to a surplus of water in the Mediterranean Sea, which flows into the ambient ocean in a surface layer. Okay, is illustrated in this sketch. What it does is actually induces a return flow in the bottom layer across the sill, shown by these sketches here. So this characterizes the exchange of a dilution basin type of Mediterranean Sea with the ambient ocean. Okay? In contrast, on the left side, the concentration basin is situated in a region where there is an excess of evaporation compared with the freshwater inflow. What evaporation does, it actually removes fresh water from the ocean, and the salt concentration increases. So the salt concentration increases, the water gets denser, heavier, it mixes, which is called here convection. You learn more about these individual processes later on, but what it does is it produces an outflow of salty water, of hypersaline water, okay, in the bottom layer, and this sucks in ambient water in a surface inflow into the system. Okay, so this is how these two different types of Mediterranean seas operate.